RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my Suchiyu buggy, classic like 80s style buggy from Suchiyu. This is a brushed version. So this is the stock tire and wheel, which looks like that. Pretty standard off-road um, mini basher tire. But I really like the look of this buggy, so I decided to design and print some paddle wheels for it. So the rim is printed in standard PLA, which I painted in gold because I thought that would look pretty sweet with the classic look on the body. And then I've got these paddle tires that are printed in TPU, which gives it insane traction on the beach. So it's a lot of fun. Sure, this isn't the quickest of RC cars, but still a lot of fun. And I was heading to the beach on a holiday, and I didn't want to carry around two massive RC cars. So I brought this one, and I brought my Red Cat Racing Ascent 18. So there's a couple of crawling videos from the beach coming as well on the rocks and stuff. Pretty cool, pretty nice scenery. And yeah, in this video we're focusing on this beach buggy. So the Suchiyu brand has released quite a few nice little bashers. I've featured most of them, I think, on my channel. Got the gantry, some stadium trucks, truggies, buggies. So there's a whole bunch of them, brushless and regular versions. So this is the regular with friction shocks and a brushed motor in there. Ran this on a 1600 milliamp 2S LiPo. And this is a tested design. I printed these last year for my Rustler 3S. And yeah, these were great. So I just used the same sleeve, which I found on Thingiverse. Just check out this video. Of the Rustler, I got a shout out for the designer of these. So I used the same sleeve, just made it smaller, and then I designed my own rim. So I'm pretty happy with this, and the footage is pretty cool. I hope you enjoy it as well. And after that, you can always check out this. This is a fun truck. I should drive this more. And yeah, it's quick as well. But as I mentioned, I didn't want to lug around one massive RC car like this, so I brought this instead, backpack sized. So enjoy the footage. Let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, make sure to subscribe as well.